From silo to truck, the sand maintains its integrity, ready for immediate use in construction.
From the heart of the earth, colossal rocks are unearthed, embarking on an incredible journey of transformation. These geological giants begin their impossible reduction, a testament to modern engineering's might. Each rock holds a story, now destined to be reshaped for the very foundations of our future.
The journey continues as these formidable fragments are transported, poised for further, finer refinement. Each stage reduces the rock's size, preparing it for its ultimate destiny as essential construction material.
Human expertise guides these monumental processes, ensuring precision and safety at every turn.
The aggregate then embarks on its meticulous sorting phase, critical for quality and application.
Vibrating screens meticulously separate the material, ensuring each grade meets stringent construction specifications.
Precision grading yields distinct aggregate sizes, each tailored for specific structural and aesthetic demands.
Every batch undergoes rigorous laboratory testing, guaranteeing optimal performance and durability.
Scientific analysis ensures the sand's granular distribution meets stringent industry standards for construction.
Data-driven decisions validate every grain, ensuring its suitability for diverse construction applications.
The journey culminates as the finely crushed sand arrives at its vast storage, ready for distribution. These vast reserves represent the fundamental building blocks for countless structures globally.
Skilled operators meticulously manage the massive stockpiles, ensuring efficient loading and distribution. Powerful machines efficiently load the refined sand, preparing it for transport to construction sites. A constant flow of trucks ensures rapid distribution, meeting the relentless demands of development.
Each truck carries the potential for new foundations, new buildings, new horizons.
With its precious cargo, the truck departs, carrying the raw essence of future development. Across vast networks, this vital material travels, fueling the engines of progress and construction. Finally, the sand reaches its destination, the vibrant, bustling heart of a new construction project.
Unloading its precious cargo, the sand is ready to be integrated into the foundations of tomorrow.
From raw rock to essential sand, human skill transforms nature's bounty into vital building blocks.
As the sun sets, the quarry sleeps, ready to yield its treasures once more for the world's progress.
The journey continues as medium-sized fragments are prepared for the next stage of pulverization.
Within the VSI crusher, rocks collide at incredible speeds, shattering into ever finer particles.
High-velocity impacts mimic nature's forces, transforming rock into precisely graded sand.
From violent impact emerges a consistent, finer aggregate, ready for the next crucial separation.
Advanced vibrating screens meticulously sort the material, ensuring uniform particle size for sand.
Each individual grain is meticulously graded, ensuring optimal cohesion and strength for construction.
Now meticulously graded, the sand proceeds to a vital washing stage, purifying it further.
The sand undergoes an intensive washing process, removing impurities to achieve ultimate purity.
This powerful agitation dislodges impurities, ensuring the sand's pristine quality for superior construction. Responsible water recycling captures and treats impurities, minimizing environmental impact effectively.
Post-wash inspection confirms the sand's pristine quality, meeting the highest industry benchmarks.
The purified sand then moves to dewatering, meticulously prepared for its final drying stage.
Vibrating screens efficiently remove excess moisture, preparing the sand for its final conditioning.
Even subtle moisture removal is critical, ensuring the sand's optimal performance in concrete mixtures.
The sand now enters a meticulously controlled drying process, achieving its ideal moisture content. Careful heat application ensures uniform dryness, essential for consistent concrete performance.
Now perfectly dry, the sand flows freely, a testament to meticulous processing and refinement.
The dry sand undergoes a final meticulous screening, ensuring absolute uniformity and purity. Every grain is precisely calibrated, ensuring the sand meets the most exacting construction demands.
Final inspections confirm a product of unparalleled quality, ready for its crucial role.
With every test passed, the sand stands ready, a symbol of meticulous transformation and quality.
The monumental process, from raw rock to refined sand, exemplifies human ingenuity and dedication. Behind the scenes, skilled technicians orchestrate every complex step, ensuring seamless operation.
Real-time data guides every adjustment, ensuring peak efficiency and consistent product quality.
Every stage, meticulously planned and executed, reflects the pinnacle of industrial engineering.
Beyond automation, human expertise and vigilance remain paramount for flawless operation.
Experienced eyes meticulously monitor every output, guaranteeing consistency and adherence to standards.
Even routine maintenance is crucial, ensuring machinery operates at peak efficiency and cleanliness.
Behind every operation, engineers meticulously plan for efficiency, safety, and future innovations. Every component is meticulously assembled and maintained, ensuring robust and reliable operation.
Constant monitoring of critical parameters ensures every machine operates within optimal thresholds.
Proactive inspections prevent downtime, guaranteeing uninterrupted flow and production efficiency. Every moving part receives meticulous care, ensuring longevity and peak performance.
Safety is paramount. Rigorous protocols protect every individual, every operation, every day. Comprehensive safety training fosters a culture of awareness, protecting lives and livelihoods.
Every safety measure is rigorously maintained, ensuring immediate readiness for any unforeseen event.
Clear warnings and rigorous adherence to protocols safeguard every worker's well-being. Each day begins with preparation, ensuring personal protection before entering the dynamic workspace. Access to elevated controls signifies the vital human element guiding massive industrial operations.
The integrated facility stands as a monument to efficiency, continuously transforming raw earth. The journey's end. Perfectly graded sand flows into colossal silos, ready for immediate dispatch.
These monumental silos stand as guardians of quality, holding the essential ingredients of progress.
From silo to truck, the sand maintains its integrity, ready for immediate use in construction. Loaded and ready, the sand embarks on its final journey, destined for the world's construction sites. At the construction site, our sand becomes the indispensable ingredient for durable concrete.
Precise blend forms the backbone of modern infrastructure, shaping skylines and communities.
Skilled hands meticulously finish the concrete, transforming liquid stone into durable surfaces.
Architects and builders collaborate, ensuring every foundation precisely matches visionary designs.
Advanced technology ensures absolute precision, guaranteeing structural integrity in every pour. Once a loose aggregate, our sand now forms the unyielding core of enduring structures. From liquid to solid, the concrete cures, patiently transforming into foundational strength. Our sand, once rock, now stands silently within the iconic structures of a modern city. From massive rocks to fine sand, an impossible process creates the world we live in.
Invisible yet indispensable, our sand forms the very fabric of urban landscapes.
I can't believe he actually said that.
I know, right? We should head back now before it gets too late.
Connecting communities, our sand is indispensable in the vast networks of modern infrastructure.
The final touches reveal not just strength, but also the aesthetic beauty of refined construction.
Beneath every enduring structure lies a meticulously prepared foundation, built on our sand.
See this hairline fracture here? It's superficial, but it indicates the stress distribution.
I see. We need to monitor this section closely during the next phase.
Every layer is meticulously compacted, forming an unyielding base for monumental structures.
Core samples confirm the sand's perfect integration, ensuring unparalleled structural resilience.
From raw rock to refined surface, the transformation is complete, enduring, and beautifully functional.
This modern marvel of engineering, a testament to human ingenuity, works tirelessly every day.
Behind every grain of sand, a team of dedicated professionals ensures unwavering quality.
Targets consistently met, driven by innovation and a relentless pursuit of excellence. From visionary leadership to dedicated hands, every element contributes to this remarkable achievement. This is the result: fine, flawless sand, ready to build the future, one grain at a time.
A name synonymous with quality, a promise delivered in every single shipment. Recognized for excellence, our commitment to quality is validated by industry's highest standards.
This is the team, the heart and soul behind an impossible process, making it possible daily.
As day ends, the factory rests, its rhythm a testament to human innovation and perseverance.
Behold the final product, a perfect concrete block, embodying strength, precision, and endurance.
By utilizing this sand-derived concrete, we achieve both sustainability and this incredibly smooth, modern finish.
Beyond infrastructure, our sand elevates interior design, crafting surfaces of enduring luxury.
From raw stone, an unexpected canvas emerges, inspiring artists to sculpt enduring beauty.
Even in serene landscapes, our sand creates elegant, durable elements for sophisticated living. From foundational strength to decorative elegance, our sand enhances every aspect of modern life. From industrial marvels to fleeting art, sand's versatility knows no bounds. Continuous research refines our understanding, pushing the boundaries of material science.
Advanced simulations predict optimal extraction, minimizing impact, and maximizing resource efficiency. From massive rocks to fine sand, an impossible process creates the world we live in every single day.